Tell me again why you're sitting in your room alone. Simplest explanation I can give is I have no friends. Why not just make friends? I wish it was that easy. I think you might just be making things too difficult, especially since you just need to find someone who will listen to you and you will listen to. It could be as easy as going up to someone and saying, "Hey, I'm Matthew," and just introducing yourself. I wish it were that easy, but there are steps I have to take in order to find the right person. First, I have to make sure that they have similar interests to me. Then I have to make sure they don't find me annoying. It's just too much work, so it's easier just to sit here and play video games. You're just doubting yourself. Spend all your time playing video games instead of going out of your room, finding someone that's just fun to be around. You don't need to leave. You don't even need to leave your room anymore. It's not that easy. Trust me, dude. I have tried. I hear all these things about finding a third space, but I don't know where to start looking. I even think maybe if I find that third place, I'll finally find someone to hang out with. Then break your shackles and go find someone. It can be at school or work or even an online chat. Just make sure to watch out for the creeps if you do go online. Either way, you're sticking yourself in a corner, so maybe it's time to push yourself out of the way and get out of there.